thousands of people in our nation today are healing their diseases simply by changing their food and lifestyle. Satvic Movement brings to you the Heal Yourself Challenge.
Namaste, I am Ananya Singh. I am 21 years old. I've cured my PCOD, hair fall, acne, most importantly my depression by following the Satvic lifestyle.
I am Dr. Damini Singh. If I talk about my thyroid level, it was 34.5 and it dropped down to 0.8 only. No doctor, no medicine, nothing. Only Satvic lifestyle.
I am Ruchi Kedia and I'm a chartered accountant. I used to have PCOD. I was pre-diabetic. I had thyroid. I had sinus. I had asthma. But then when I started following Satvic lifestyle and I reduced my weight, trust me, I don't have even an inch of problem left in my body.
पिछले 7 साल से मुझे साइनस था। आज मैं साइनस की प्रॉब्लम से पूरी तरह फ्री हो गया हूँ और अब मेरी लाइफ मेरे अपने हाथों में है।
So I started following Satvic lifestyle. I have reversed migraine, fissure, obesity and then acne. I have cured my acne.
I had been diabetic for 20 odd years. I used to have blood pressure, so that used to be around 140 by 100. Then we started following the lifestyle.
He was taking medication 3 times a day, but within the first week, his morning medication had stopped.
The level of energy I see now is unbelievable.
I had almost 6 problems. But when I changed to this Satvic food, I reversed all my problems one by one, slowly and gradually. I used to be 95 to 96 kgs and now I weigh 76 kg.
I was obese till the time I actually found out about Satvic Movement. I was 87 to 88 kgs when I started this lifestyle and I'm currently 65 kgs of weight.
I had PCOD, thyroid. Just by following Satvic principles and diet and lifestyle, I was able to reduce my weight from 78 to 58 in just 1 year. I was able to reverse my diabetes from having HbA1c 10 to now HbA1c 6.1. I was able to completely eliminate diseases like thyroid, like PCOD, etc. And I let Satvic Movement enter into my life, and soon every negative thing from my body was removed, including the 2 big monsters I had, diabetes and depression.
I can proudly say I reversed my depression, sinus, asthma, sleep paralysis. मैं बोल सकता हूँ happily कि मैं जिंदा हूँ वो सात्विक मूवमेंट की वजह से।
Welcome to Satvic Movement. We don't just believe in disease management, we believe in disease reversal.
All these people you just met, they didn't just manage their disease, they reversed it. And there are not 1, not 10, but thousands of people who have completely transformed their lives.
And we are here to introduce you to that one workshop that will transform yours too, the Heal Yourself Challenge.
If you're happy to take medicines going forward, or if you're happy with just managing diseases all your life, and you're happy with the way life is right now, then I'm sorry, this challenge is not for you.
But if you want to break free from the shackles of disease and take charge of your health, then come. Let's understand exactly how this challenge will work.
It will be a 7-day challenge with a 1 hour 15-minute session each day, where you will learn how to reverse chronic diseases simply by changing your food and lifestyle.
We will cover topics related to healing food and meal plans, detoxification and cleansing, understanding the root cause of disease and how to eliminate it from the source.
By the end of the 7th day, you will have a clear understanding of what to eat, how to prepare it, and what lifestyle to lead for your healing.
We have kept this challenge at a very nominal cost just because we want this knowledge to reach every single person.
My friends, today, India is the leading diabetes capital of the world. The most number of heart attacks is in India. Why? Who was responsible for this? Is it the government? Or is it the food industry? Or is it the pollution? No, me and you are responsible. We make the wrong food and lifestyle choices and then expect someone from the outside to fix us.
So here we are to remind you that you hold the remote control of your health in your hands, and it's up to you whether you want to continue to live your life with diseases or experience absolute freedom and live a disease-free life.
In our experience, the food and lifestyle suggestions that are shared in the 7 days are best suited for people suffering from chronic lifestyle diseases such as thyroid disorders, diabetes, excessive weight, menstrual disorders like cysts, fibroids, PCOD, hormonal disorders, respiratory disorders like asthma, sinusitis, digestive disorders like constipation, gas, acidity, skin problems like acne, pimples, eczema and psoriasis, fatty liver, cardiovascular disorders like hypertension or high blood pressure, high cholesterol or high triglycerides, tiredness and lethargy or headaches. We have seen great results in these conditions.
However, if you are suffering from vitiligo, IBS, CKD, some cases of rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, osteoporosis, alopecia, river cirrhosis, cancer, or if you're clinically diagnosed depressed, or if you have a neurological or psychiatric disorder, then please remember that this workshop may help you, but it will not be enough. You will need adjunct therapies or constant guidance from a certified doctor, and Satvic Movement being an online platform, we will not be able to provide you with that one-on-one guidance for the conditions in the second list.
And thirdly, if you're pregnant or a breastfeeding mother, a child below the age of 14, or extremely underweight, then we do not recommend you join this workshop. This workshop is simply not designed for those in this third list.
We hope that makes it clear who this workshop is for and who it's not for. So, if you feel this workshop is for you, and if you're ready to take back the reins of your health in your hands, then join us for the Heal Yourself Challenge, and we will see you in class.